In this video, I'll show you how to install and replace the ink cartridges for a Canon Pixma TS705a printer. Come to the top of the printer and flip over this lid and you will be presented with the ink trays. Just make sure that the printer is turned on. Now what you need to do is remove any plastic packaging around the ink cartridge. So we have this outer plastic here. Then there is an orange strip of plastic that you need to remove. This covers the ink itself. And then finally there is this orange plastic tab which you can just pull off like this. And go ahead and do the exact same thing with the rest of the ink cartridges. When you are doing it, try not to touch the print head here with your finger or the contacts on the cartridge. If you need to set them down, rest them on their side like this. When installing them, you need to make sure you put them in the correct place. So they are color coded here, you can see. So you can find the corresponding color by looking at the front of the cartridge. So this is the magenta, which would be going into the very left slot. So now take that, and with the clip end facing towards you, we're simply just going to insert it. So once it's like this, you want to press it down so that it's secured into place. And now we'll do the same with the next cartridge. When you're doing this, you want to place it in at a bit of an angle. So you want it to be down like this, and then it will come flat. So let me show you. And then just give it one firm press, and then you will hear it click into place. And now just do the rest of the cartridges. So if you wanted to replace existing ink cartridges, you just need to do the opposite. So to remove them, press on the clip here. So you want to push it towards the back of the printer like this to release it, and then simply pull it out like so. I'll do one more. So you want to press this to release it, and then just lift the ink straight up. So that's pretty much it. That's how to install or replace the ink cartridges for the Canon Pixma TS705a printer. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.